In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options available on this Xiaomi. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Rebirth. Finally, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!